Hello, First Spirits. Welcome back to another Ayurveda session. I am Yogini Claudia, life coach, yoga teacher, and Ayurveda counselor. I want to talk to you about how Ayurveda can help people heal and prevent diseases. Perhaps you are familiar with Ayurveda, the science of life. Ayurveda is the system of natural medicine in India. The difference between Western medicine and Ayurveda treatments is that Western medicine uses more aggressive forms of therapy, especially for cancer. Ayurveda uses all natural medicines designed to help the body heal by itself. Treatment in Ayurveda starts with a thorough assessment. It uses questionnaires and private consultations with people. It also provides different methods and techniques to help people do lifestyle changes in diet and exercise and daily routines. And it also incorporates methods like yoga, meditation, and other exercises, and provides medicine, natural herbs, and supplements. Ayurveda teaches that disease is an imbalance of the three doshas or of one of them. And the key is to find where is the imbalance and how to fix it. The three doshas in Ayurveda are Kapha, Pitta, and Vata. Kapha is more related with heaviness, heavy substances, and dullness. Vata is more related with air and dryness. And Pitta is more related with fiery substances. Aggravated doshas affect the body tissues and the organs, resulting in different diseases. Ayurveda proposes a series of techniques and herbal supplements to purify the doshas and the tissues and organs and prevent disease or maintain your health. There is strong evidence that Ayurveda is a great complementary therapy. More and more health organizations and medical institutions around the world are using Ayurvedic treatments to maintain the patient's health through recovery and also as disease prevention. There is strong advocacy from part of various health organizations around the world to incorporate Ayurvedic treatment. At least all medical professionals around the world are agreeing in one thing, and that is that prevention is better than the cure. And Ayurveda is the king of prevention. Through very unique tools and assessment methods, Ayurveda specializes in identifying before the disease develops if there is an imbalance in any of the three doshas. Ayurveda also uses a holistic approach, believing that true health is found in the balance of the body, the mind, and the consciousness of the person. Some of the tools that Ayurveda uses to balance body and mind is daily exercise, management of emotions, and a healthy nutrition. So today I'm going to share with you some of the traditional Ayurvedic formulas or herbal supplements that have been used for centuries for the treatment of cancer. In Ayurveda, we learn that cancer is not a modern disease. Cancer is an imbalance of the body and mind constitutions, the doshas, and it also can be aggravated by environmental contaminants. What is a healthy diet? What is a nutritious diet? One rule of thumb that is very easy to remember is to eat fresh food and avoid anything that has been processed in a factory. Everything that has been processed, that has been bleached, like white sugar, candy, processed foods that are sold and they can last for months or years in a store shelf, all of those foods you should avoid because they have a lot of chemicals, preservatives, and pollutants that cause alterations in the doshas and therefore can cause a lot of diseases. I recommend not to eat any type of meat, especially processed meat. Processed meat is every meat that comes in a package, like sausages or ham or anything that has been heavily processed in a factory. There is a research study that says that processed meat is likely to cause cancer of the colon. So there is some evidence out there that red meats and processed meats are very damaging to your health and you should avoid them. Another reason to avoid eating meat or not eating meat at all is that it is easier for the intestines and the digestive system not to have to process heavy meats and heavy proteins. There is a big myth about where are you going to get your protein if you don't eat red meat. And this has been ingrained in our mind for years through TV commercials and even family environment, forcing people to eat meat because it is believed that is the only source of protein. Incorporate in your daily diet foods with high antioxidants. Why are antioxidants so important? We hear about them everywhere. To understand the importance of antioxidants, we need to see what are free radicals. According to the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, free radicals are highly unstable molecules that are naturally formed when you exercise and when your body converts food into energy. Our body is also exposed to free radicals from the environment, like cigarette smoking, secondary hand smoke, air pollution, or the sunlight. Free radicals produce oxidative stress in the cells and tissues of the body, and these can cause a lot of diseases like cancer. Antioxidants are substances that inhibit these free radicals that exist in our environment. In other words, antioxidants are free radical neutralizers. So we want to incorporate in our daily diet a lot of foods with antioxidants. Some of the foods that contain high antioxidants are oranges, spinach, kale, and all the berries like strawberries, blackberries, cranberries, blueberries, and also dark chocolate. Ayurveda recommends several herbal supplements to help maintain the antioxidant properties in our body and neutralize free radicals. Some of these herbal supplements are amla, ashwagandha, bacopa, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and others. Amla is considered a super Ayurvedic food. It's high in antioxidants and vitamin C. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and is also high in antioxidants. Ashwagandha is another great herb to manage stress. It is called the Indian ginseng, and it also boosts the immune system and provides energy. Holy basil, or called tulsi in India, is also known for its healing properties. It improves immunity and fights stress. It has anti-inflammatory properties, analgesic properties, and anti-stress. Ginger is another food that is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. In a study conducted at the University of Michigan, ginger caused ovarian cancer cells to reside. And another research published in Cancer Prevention Research showed a decrease in the inflammation of the colon. Garlic is another powerful anti-inflammatory and is being used also for the treatment of cancer. It contains sulfur and flavonoids that have been related to a decrease in cancer patients. As you can see, Ayurveda can be a great complementary therapy to any medical treatment. I hope this was very interesting. Thanks for watching. As always, take care of yourself, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.